Good morning. We're at the 2025 first annual All Indian Rally, Poway, California. Lee Hedges is hosting us here. You can see all the bikes are ready to go. 1940 Indian Chief, 48 Chief with the later model front end, beautiful 32. Guys from all over the country here. Oh, excuse me, guys from all over California. We got a Southern Cross Cannonball Classic run, stickers all over. Beautiful 46. This is the crowd. Not a lot of people this first time. We'll have more on our second annual for sure. Got our route maps on the board.
With kids, it was like,
Gonna be a great day. A lot of miles. This is probably my favorite right here. 1915 Indian Headstrom twin. Shinya Kimura owns it from Azusa. He's done the Cannonball 6 times on this machine. All original. Got a few modifications for fuel so he can keep on riding. Very complicated to ride these old bikes. If you haven't done it, there's a definite learning curve. A little box for directions. .48 Indian Chief. 41 chrome tank. Call this one a bobber. No front fender, girder front end. Another 48. Then you get in some beauties. 38 Indian Chief, World's Fair Colors, owned by Connor Levinson from San Diego, Wigwam Motors. If you're looking for a bike, talk to Connor. 37 Indian Chief by my partner Jacob Peters out of Huntington Beach. A 48. And this one is a 1948 Big Base Scout owned by Mac Blake from Clovis.
It's a coach-built body, so there's no fenders to come off, and so there's no drainage.
It's a beautiful machine that he built. I hear he's building another one for himself right now. I followed this bike before in the mountains of San Diego.